Welcome to another video from Yenkna PCs. This time we're going to look at another routine with my stereo set in my bedroom. It will also turn on my TV and my DVD player at the same time. Let's get to it. Alexa, Showtime.
Okay.
Alexa, that's a wrap.
Hasta la vista, baby.
This is just a tutorial on how to use the RM Blackbean to operate your TV, DVD player, and stereo at the same time. I will have the video links in the description on how to program them. I hope you found this video educational. Please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and catch you later.